Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you are all doing well. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this my channel, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. I really need you to actually subscribe. So let's quickly do a recap. Yesterday we talked about having a bearish move for today, which is for the 10th. I told you guys that we are very much likely to have a bearish move on Euro USD, and it actually got to that level. Even last week, we did analysis for the week on Euro USD. I also told you guys that Euro USD will give us a bearish move. You can see this red candle that I've highlighted. You can see that Euro USD has actually gotten to this same level. This yellow bar, or let's say this yellow highlights here, I told you guys that price actually hit the level and possibly break below the level, because that price has actually gotten to that level. So basically, price has actually played out the way we want. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for this week, which is for the 13 to 17. But first, before actually going dead on what to be expecting this week, I want you guys to know that I have a particular channel, which is a Patreon channel. What I tend to do in that channel is put out high probability trade, trade that I take, winning trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. On this YouTube channel, I just do random analysis on a currency pair. But on this my channel, I'm going to put out trade that then we are very much likely to win that trade. So far this week that just finished, we took about 5 trade, right? Which is Euro AUD, AUD card, natural gas, US 30, they all hit our targets, right? It remains only one, which is WTI, which has not gotten to our target, though I'll be giving an update, and that will be to my Patreon subscribers. They are going to get an update soon. So if in case you need an update from me, actually check my channel. There are some setup, there are more setup, there are trade that we are going to be taking this week. I've actually gotten a setup, right? So all I just have to do is share it to my Patreon subscribers, so they are actually going to take that trade. So if in case you are interested in taking such trade, right, with just 20 USD, you can become my subscriber and you get updates from me. So if at the end of the month we actually don't get the value that I promise you, you are not getting, you are not seeing an improve your accounts, right? You can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Like I said, you will not be disappointed. Become my Patreon subscriber today with just 20 USD. And now let's get started with what we will be expecting for this week on Euro USD. This week for the 13, guys, we will be expecting more bearish move on Euro AUD, Euro USD. So this is what to be watching out for. Now take a look at it. This is the level that I would want Euro USD to actually hit this week, which is a level of 1.05892. I repeat, a level of 1.05892. So that will be giving us, I think, is not close to 90 pips. Yes, 94 pips. So we need about 94 pips bearish move this week that I am predicting for. Even possibly break below it. It can even go ahead and drop, to 150 pips. That is how crazy the market is. But this level that I just called, it is a level we should be watching out for this week. By the way, this week we will see a drop or a break in this our Euro USD. So this Euro USD needs to break below this our 10 period simple moving average. Downward to my daily time frame. So we would see something like this on this Euro USD, then a pullback. Now we can see we'll be having another drop that we actually take this lows. So once this price can get to this level that I just mentioned, which is 1.05892, then maybe we can start expecting a pullback. So if you would want to trade the pullback, it is tradable. You can actually go ahead and trade the pullback. There are two ways, and this trade is actually, you can trade it two ways. You can go ahead and sell once the market opens to this my level that I just called. You will make profits. Once you get to this level, you can go ahead and trade the pullback, which is buy. It is also tradable. You will actually make a profit. So anyhow you want to do it, it is up to you, by the way. So that is what I have for you. We can see on the daily time frame, we are trading below this 10 period simple moving average. Unfortunately, or will I say unfortunately, more drop is to come. So we will start having a bullish move on DXY. I think bullish move, there's a bullish move on DXY. I mean, with what Euro USD is actually playing out, and when you take a look at your DXY, I'm going to do analysis for DXY by the way, so watch out for it. Now, to those that have not subscribed to my Patreon channel, I'll put a link in the comment section below. That link will lead you to my Patreon channel. Become one of my Patreon subscriber, like I said, become one so you get an update from me. So this is what I am watching out for on Euro USD. Downwards the 4-hour time frame, though we are kind of having a bit of a rejection. So let's see on this 4-hour time frame, we have that rejection to a level of 1.07130. I've highlighted the level. The reason why I've highlighted this level, you can see that there was kind of like a little bit of a rejection on the 4-hour time frame, and we had a little bit of a rejection. Now that we're having a pullback, so definitely, price is actually rejecting at this bottom, right? No problem. We will have this rejection to a level of 1.07130. Once we can hit that level, then guys, Euro USD will actually drop. So I think you should even be patient enough for this price to give us this pullback to a level of 1.07130. At least with that, if you cannot go ahead and sell for that level, you can even grab more pips instead of you to sell when the market opens. You can actually wait for it to go bullish a bit, then sell. I mean, from here to this level, yes, that is about that one. You know that we are aiming for 94 pips on this Euro USD. If there is a pullback, if you add that 91 plus 31, I mean, you'll be making 120 plus pips, right? So, guys, wait for a pullback. I think it is the best. Then you go ahead and say you should be making about 100 plus pips downward on Euro USD for the week. Like I said, become one of my Patreon subscribers and you will get an instant update from me, guys.